Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to manage diabetes with the fast cooking system. And if you have any question about this video, please write to me at walkwithtak@gmail.com. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Gina is diagnosed with diabetes, and she realized that one way for her to improve her disease condition is that through exercise and diet. Now, Gina has started to exercise more, but to change her diet is more challenging. For many years, Gina is not eating as healthy as she would like. She eats a lot of fast and ultra-processed food, and one thing she realized that she need to find a way to change her diet. And one of the most important things that she realized that she need to do is to change her diet so that she will eat more vegetables as well as reduce her calorie consumption. When she find a fast cooking system, which is flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking, she realized that this might be an approach that will help her first and foremost is to eat more vegetables, and secondly is to reduce her calorie consumption. Now, the fast cooking system is designed to make home cooking more efficient. And that's one thing Gina wants to do, is that to able to put a meal on the table in 30 minutes or less. Because she really do not have the time to spend 1 to 2 hours each night to cook a meal. Now, the fast cooking system uses stir frying as the cooking technique. Now, stir frying is probably one of the most efficient cooking methods, because it will allow you to put a meal on the table in a very short time, because most of the dishes only take about somewhere between 5 to 7 minutes to cook. Now, stir frying is depend on the use of a wok, and the importance is that by using a wok, it is able to cut the ingredients into small pieces. By having the ingredients cut in the size that are fast to cook, it will allow you to cook much faster. And stir frying is particularly suitable for stir frying vegetables, because vegetables, when they cut into small pieces, you can combine them and create vegetable medley. And this will make the dish far more interesting. And with stir frying, it is possible to include many different ingredients to create a dish. And so consequently, there are many possibilities. And stir frying also allows a different type of flavor to be imparted into a dish. Because of this reason, stir frying is probably one of the best way for people who want to eat more vegetable and want to eat healthier. However, Gina finds that she's not very familiar with cooking vegetables, and she finds that to cook vegetables, it requires to cut the vegetables into the pieces suitable for stir frying. And because of this reason, sometimes prepping takes more time than actually cooking the vegetables. And after Gina become more accustomed to stir frying, she's looking for a way that to help her cooking to be more efficient. And this is the aspect of the fast cooking system of advanced prepping comes into play. The concept of advanced prepping actually is quite simple. That is to cut the food ingredients, particularly vegetables, into the pieces that are suitable for stir frying. And using this advanced prepping method, you spend about 1 to 2 hours each week to prep. But the remaining week, you can put a meal together in 20 minutes or less, because all the ingredients will be already cut. And this is particularly great for vegetable. It allows you to extend the shelf life as well. However, you can also include proteins. Different kind of proteins can go through the same process of advanced prepping. For example, with chicken, you can take the chicken as soon as you bring it back from the grocery store. You can cut it up into pieces that are appropriate for stir frying. And then you can freeze them to the portion that you want. And this provides you with an opportunity to know exactly how much protein you want to use. And gradually, Gina finds that she can now use proteins such as chicken, beef, or shrimp as a condiment rather than as the main ingredients. Stir frying is also extremely flexible in how you flavor the dish. Stir frying does not limited to cooked Chinese or Asian food. For example, you can cook a dish with almost no Chinese flavor by using my Walk with Tak basic seasoning mix, which is designed to enhance the umami flavor of the dish. Therefore, it will enhance the natural flavor of the food ingredients. Or you can different sauces. This will allow you to change the flavor into almost any type of cuisine flavor that you would like, from Chinese to Thai to Italian. By using different sauces, it will allow you to make subsequent changes. So the end result is that through stir frying, you have a lot of flexibility. And this is what Gina discovered. She found out that she can now cook many different dishes. The diversity of what she can cook is beyond what she ever considered. And the reason is that one aspect of the fast cooking system is template-based cooking. The idea of template-based cooking is actually very simple and straightforward. What it does is that by using a basic template, you can make substitutions of the ingredients in that template. For example, a dish with chicken and broccoli can be easily converted into beef and broccoli by substituting chicken with beef. Or by substituting the vegetable, the broccoli can be substituted with cauliflower, green bean, asparagus, and then on top of that, you can combine different type of ingredients together. And the end result Gina found out that is that she can cook almost infinite number of different dishes using only a few basic templates. When you put all four attributes of the fast cooking system together, that is stir frying, flavor chasing, advanced prepping, and template-based cooking, you can use the stir frying technique to choose the vegetable that you want, to create the flavor that you want, and by advanced prepping, you can make simple and efficient substitutions. And by template-based cooking, you can create almost infinite varieties of different types of dishes. So the end result is that Gina is able to create dishes with complex flavor. So not only that she enjoy the dishes that she cook, basically she make healthy food taste great. But more importantly is that the complex flavor allow her to achieve faster satiation. And the end result is that she is able to control her appetite. And consequently, she reduces her calorie consumption without feeling hungry. Now, this is a really important step for her. Basically, now she's able to achieve both in terms of reduction of calorie consumption that will cause her to lose weight. At the same time, she's not hungry all the time. But more importantly is that she really come to enjoy the food that she eats. And she never get bored with what she cook because all the varieties and variations that she can create. So in addition to that, the fast cooking system also allow her to prep meals. Now she can prep meals that she can take with her to work, and she can always use them sometimes during the week when she doesn't have time. She will have those prep meals available to her, or even late in the evening if she wants something to snack on. She can't use one of her prep meal. So the end result is that she has achieved her goal, and through the fast cooking system, she has managed her blood sugar level and she has reduced her reliance on diabetic drugs. I post a video each day to help you to make home cooking as your daily routine using my fast cooking system. And with flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking, you can make home cooking practical, efficient, creative, and fun. So if you'd like to learn more about this fast cooking system, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. So keep on cooking, and I will see you tomorrow.